Do you feel like no matter how much you practice, you still aren't seeing the results you think you should be? Well, today we're going to be talking about some of the roadblocks you may be running into that are preventing you from seeing better results with the violin and how to overcome them using simple yet effective strategies. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Alright, so let's dive straight into these roadblocks that could be preventing you from seeing better progress with your violin. Roadblock number one is you're spending too much time playing your violin. Now, I know that sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but it's true. If you are spending so much time playing that you're not actually getting down to the nitty-gritty and finding those places that actually need to be worked on, then you're probably not going to be seeing any progress. And my solution to this is to work smarter, not harder. No matter how much time you spend playing your instrument per day, if you're not practicing efficiently, all of that time spent won't matter. Roadblock number two is that you're focusing on the wrong things during your practice session. Now, I know how much fun it is to pick up your violin and just start playing something that you know you're good at. It's fun. It's fun to hear yourself playing the things that you enjoy, playing the things that you know your fingers can get around, but what you really need to be doing if you actually want to see progress is focus on those things that you're not so good at. And I know this is a very difficult thing to do. We as humans are programmed to want that instant gratification, and when we play something that sounds good, we're receiving that reward. But if you can challenge yourself to really hone in on those few problem areas that you know you struggle with regularly, you will definitely see much better results than if you were to just focus on the things that you know you can do well already. Roadblock number three is not having a clear goal when going into your practice sessions. Again, this goes back to just picking up your instrument and playing anything without really having a plan for your practice session. It's so important that we do have that plan sort of mapped out for ourselves when we go to practice so that you can actually have a purpose and a clear direction for your practice session, and you can measure the results once you're finished. And obviously the solution to this is just to have a clear goal. Know what you'd like to accomplish during your practice session so that you can make it easier for yourself to achieve. So I hope that you now have a better understanding of those things that could possibly be preventing you from seeing better progress on your instrument and how to overcome them so that you can actually start making strides in your violin and fiddle playing. Let me know in the comment section below how this ends up working out for you. I would love to hear your feedback. Also, quick announcement, we have a jam workshop coming up next Sunday, October 30th. So if you haven't signed up for that, go ahead and do so in the description box below. There's a link there that you can click to RSVP. I'll be teaching everyone a tune and we'll be talking about some important skills to have for a jam session. So if you're interested, definitely join us for that. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next video, and I look forward to seeing you then. Happy practicing. If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!